Hi, Amy Hunt, home business expert. How are you guys doing today? This video is going to talk about all things account oriented for eBay. So I'm going to teach you how to change your eBay store name, how to set up preferences, that sort of thing. If you're new to my channel and you don't really know how to make money, but you know you want to make money online, subscribe to my channel, enable notifications. I am bringing out the most current software, dropshipping, Amazon FBA, doing your own products, everything for somebody who's at home that has a desire to move forward with making their own money. And I don't give you these exorbitant, like, you're going to make $10,000 a week, but I do tell you how to logically start from scratch. So check out the rest of the video on setting up your eBay account. Let me know what options and what types of things you want to learn in the comments below, or any questions you have about eBay. Thanks for watching, and see you on the other side. Alright, so I'm assuming you already have an eBay account. If you don't, look in the description below on how to set up an eBay account. This is like the next video. So you get your eBay account, and what we're doing here is we're changing. So you can see I have a brand new account, and they just assign this name, like this is basically your store name, to me, based on who knows what, my last name and some random numbers. So I don't like that. I don't want people to say, hey, I got it off of HU8867. I want a name for my shop. So what I'm going to do is go to my personal information. I'm just going to work down that left side and change things as needed. Now, if you want a different account type, like there's a store account, like my other eBay is a business actually. So, you don't have to, you can. I'm just going to put a business name in there just for the fun of it and see if it accepts it. If you do put a business name in there, okay, that means you want a business account, which I believe is something like $40 a month. And what that does is reduce your, I think, vinyl value fees, reduces your insertion fees, gives you like 100 insertion. You can look it up, but it reduces your fees basically for you, enable you to put more stuff in there. So if you want to do a dropshipping store, what I would suggest is you start off with this back here as an individual account, get some good ratings, get some good sales going, and then when you feel like you have enough money, upgrade it to a business account. Now, if you already have enough money and you just want to go right into it and you want to list a ton of stuff, which I teach you how to do that in my Auto DS and my DSM tool videos, and look in the description below if you want to learn about that. It's automated drop shipping where you don't have to do everything manually. And some other things. So I have so many things that you can learn from. Then you just want to go to a business account, but for now, just for the purposes of getting started, maybe just stick with an individual. But I want to change my name. Again, I'm going to sign in with Google like I did before. And it logs me into eBay. So now a new eBay username. I'm going to put Shoptopia. Let's see. It's already it's unavailable. It's already being used. So I got to think of something creative. So I've tried a few things. I'm going to try Shoptopia. I know I misspelled it, but it gets the point across. Yay! Shoptopia it is with 2 P's. So that's doable. Shoptopia, Amy Hunt. All right, there we go. So now I'm going to go back to account settings. Sign in with Google again. And you can see up here that it changed my name. So now you go in and you fill out this information, your addresses. The reason why they want your address is this is how they track you and whether or not you're drop shipping. You want to go over here to the right of the screen and you want to click on change. You're going to change all these. I'm going to go do that, but I'm going to pause the video and then I'll get right back with you. So one of the options in your account setting was to pick a secret question. That just gives your eBay account security, and I'd suggest that you do that because in this day and age with people hacking and getting into your accounts, you don't want to lose this information. So you just pick any of these questions and put an answer in there just to secure your account better. Okay, so now you can go through and edit all that. Now if you scroll down, it says financial information, update your automatic payment method. Now, if you click on this, it becomes a problem. Set up automatic payments, and it says you cannot sign up for automatic PayPal payments at this time. The reason being is you do not have a seller's account. And you're thinking in your mind, well, I just signed up. I just registered for eBay. In eBay's mind, you have just signed up to buy things. So you have to go back here to tell eBay's mind that you also you also want to go, so you want to go back up here and you want to go into seller dashboard. Okay, so right now eBay thinks you just want to buy. So then you need to sell your first item. So basically it's just click on start selling, and what that's going to do is take you to a place where you can enter a product or a keyword or something. All right, so let's just say a Lego Star Wars. Yeah, they're my favorite. Anytime you're feeling like you've learned something from my videos and you made some extra money and you want to send me some Legos, I'd love it. So then you go on, and let's just say this is the item that you're going to sell. You're going to sell it new. Now, it's going to take you to a page where you list your item. But I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to go into the settings. You can go into listing preferences, your PayPal, if you need to update or do anything. I always like do 3 days because it gives me extra time. You generally want to click accept returns. And these are policies, basically your business policies, and then you can enable and more options. So international shipping, I've done that, schedule listings, etc. I'm going to save. I'm going to show you another thing that you can do with your settings. If you want to go back, just click eBay. You're going to leave without saving because I didn't want to list that exactly right now. And you go over here again to selling. That's how you get back to your seller hub. So it just gives you information because you're just getting started, and this is pretty cool. Now you can see like what you have, and how to get started on your listings. Now, eBay like limits you for the number of sales that you can do on certain item in your account until you like get a good reputation. So you have to keep it up and keep good things going with your account in order to be enabled to do other things. So if you want to get back to your account, click on the account tab right here, and you can edit and do all your site preferences. As far as business policies, I teach you how to use AutoDS, DSM Tool, Latopia, and if you don't know about those things, look in the description below. And you can sign up, and those are basically all areas where you can get products to list in your store. So you don't have to have stock at your house, but if you look in my videos down below, I'll teach you how to get items from those different places. If you have any more questions, I mean, this is all detailed stuff that you can just click on and go through. If you have any questions on any of these over here on the left, where are they? Up there. Just let me know in the comment below. I generally get back to you as quickly as possible with your questions. Sometimes people are like, hey, I didn't know you were going to respond so fast. I try because I know you're sitting there working, you're in the moment, and you need answers. And I know I have felt that way. Look at my channel. There's playlists on different softwares, different ways that you can get products. I also have a website, amyhunthomebusinessexpert.com, that you can check out. It's in the works, so please don't be too critical. It's in work in progress right now. Hopefully by the time you see this, it'll be better than it was. Let's put it that way. But thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video series.